traders, welcome back to this new video of pre-market analysis for 31st of January, and the day will be Tuesday. So tomorrow it will be a Nifty expiry, and that's the reason we are going to analyze for Nifty as well, including Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. And at the end we are going to analyze for three of the stocks, that is Coal India, Power Grid and Hindalco. So first let's analyze in Nifty 50. So when we look the start of Nifty 50 at the time frame of 15 minutes, we can see a proper resistance at the level of 17,710. So this will act as a strong resistance. So for Nifty 50 above 17,700, the Nifty 50 will be very bullish above this level. So 17,700 is a crucial level for Nifty 50. From here the market might get reversed, else market might give a breakout. So there are only three cases in Nifty 50 that it might open flat, or it might open gap up, or it might open gap down. So first let's analyze if Nifty 50 opens flat at the level of around 17,700 or 17,680 or around in this level, 20-30 points in this level, then how are we going to trade? So we are going to trade above 17,700. So if the candle gives a proper closing above 17,700 with a green color candle closing, then we are going to trade in the bullish side by keeping stop loss as a 30 points, and we'll be targeting till 17,800 and 17,850, that is almost 100 to 150 points. And if Nifty 50 opens gap up in the sense around 17,750, 17,800, then 17,800 and 17,850 will act as a strong resistance from here, and the market might take a pause. So if Nifty 50 opens a big gap up around 17,800 or 17,850, then we will expect the Nifty 50 to stay in this range, and the range will be 17,900 to 17,700. So this will be the range, and because the Nifty will expire tomorrow, that's the reason the premium will decay for CE as well as PE, and that's the reason we are expecting a sideways market if it opens gap up in Nifty 50. And in Nifty 50, if it opens gap down around 17,500 or 17,550, 400 in this level, then we are going to start selling below and only 17,450. So until and unless it comes to 17,450 or 17,500, we are not going to sell in Nifty 50. Below 17,450 or 17,500, we are going to start selling according to the price action in Nifty 50. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty 50 tomorrow. And if it opens a big gap up around 17,850, we are expecting a narrow range in the range between 17,900 and 17,900 and 17,700. So this is the range we are expecting for tomorrow if it opens gap up. And now let's have a look in Nifty Bank. So in Nifty Bank, the Nifty Bank almost opened somewhere around 300 points, 350 points gap down, and the market has recovered everything, and again from here it has come as sharp selling, and again from 39,400 level the market has recovered almost like 1,000 points from here, and the market has closed at around 40,387, 467 in this level. So how are we going to trade for tomorrow? So above 40,750 or 40,800, the Nifty Bank is very bullish from here above this, and Nifty Bank is slightly bearish below 40,000, and it is very bearish below 39,500. So if it opens flat, how are we going to plan for tomorrow? If it opens flat, then anything above 40,500, that in Nifty Bank, if it gives a closing with a green color candle above 40,500, then we are going to keep a stop loss of around 60 to 80 points, and we'll be targeting for 200 or 250 points. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty Bank if it opens flat. If it opens flat and if it gives a closing above 40,500, then we are going to target till 40,800 or 40,750. This is the level, so we are going to target this particular levels. So above 40,800, we are totally bullish in Nifty Bank. And if it opens a gap of around 40,800 or 40,750, then this will act as a strong support, and slow and steady the Nifty Bank might go upside, else it might be in the range of 41,100 or 40,700 in this level. If it opens gap up, then 41,100 or 40,700, 750, this it might stay in this particular range as Fin Nifty is going to expire. And if it opens gap down like 39,900 or 40,000 in this level, then we are going to start selling according to the price action. But until and unless it comes below 40,000, we are not going to sell in Nifty Bank, because for now Nifty Bank has almost reversed from the bottom. So now let's have a look in Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty, tomorrow it's an expiry day, so all the RTMs will become zero, and that's the reason we are expecting a sideways market. So how are we going to trade in Fin Nifty? So above 18,200, so above this level, we are totally bullish in Fin Nifty, and the range might stay here 18,400 to 18,200. So this is the level for tomorrow if it comes upside and gives a closing here. Else below 18,000, below 17,900, below this the Fin Nifty is totally bearish below 17,900, and if it stays inside this range, how are we going to stay hedge? So for hedging, the range is 18,350 to 18,000, that is in this level. 18,000 or 17,950. So in this level we can do hedging, sellers can do hedging, and we can earn their thitas. So if you want to hedge the position, then you can hedge from 18,350 to 17,950 or 18,000. So if market starts going upside, then you can start selling more puts, more PE sides, and if the market starts coming back from here, that's 18,200 or 18,100. If Fin Nifty starts reversing, then you can add some more call options and you can start hedging, and you can earn a good theta from here in this Fin Nifty expiry. So okay, now we'll look some stocks, that is Coal India. So in Coal India we can look a proper pattern here, and so this will act as a strong resistance, and this will act as a strong support in the below side. So how are we going to plan the trades in Coal India? So above 227, we can start buying, and we can put a stop loss of 225, that is 2 points below this, and we can target for 227 and 229. So for selling side, we can sell below 223, and we can put a stop loss of 225 on this level, and we can target till 221 or 219. So this will be first target will be 221, and second target will be 219 in Coal India. But until and unless it comes to 227, else 223, we are not going to trade in this particular stock, that is Coal India. So what is the next stock? The next stock is Power Grid. So in Power Grid we can see a nice resistance and a nice support here. So we are going to plan for bullish above 213. So above 213 we are going to buy at 213, and we are going to keep a stop loss of 211, that is 2 points below this, and we are going to target for 215 as a first target and 217 as a second target. And in bearish side we are going to sell below and only 210. So below 210 we are going to sell, and our stop loss will be 212, and our first target will be 221, and our second target will be 219. That means we are going to trade. If this comes and break out, then we are going to buy here. If this comes and gives a breakdown, then we are going to sell in this particular level. And what is the next stock? The next stock is Hindalco. So in Hindalco we can even see a here a perfect pattern here. This will act as a strong resistance, and this will act as a strong support in the below. So above this, if it gives a proper breakout, then we are going to buy, and below this, if it gives a proper breakdown, then we are going to sell. So the particular level for in Hindalco is we are going to buy above 477, that is we are going to buy at 477, and our stop loss will be 474. So this is our stop loss, and our first target in buying side is 480, and second target is 483. And in selling side, we can start selling below 463, and we can put a stop loss of 466, that is 3 points from here, and we can target 3 points below 460, and our second target will be 457. So this is how we are going to target for Coal India, Power Grid, and Hindalco. So if anybody wants to join intraday live trading groups, we do live trading, and if you want to join in those live trading groups, then click on the link which is given in the description box below, and you can register yourself and you can start live trading. You can join our live trading session and you can start trading with us.